Hi, this session we are going to see how to solve a problem using Dijikstra algorithm. What is Dijikstra algorithm? It's a graph algorithm used to find the shortest path from single starting node to all other in a weighted graph. So here in a given graph, A is the starting point. So now we are going to find the shortest path from A to all other node. So A to B, A to D, A to C, A to E, A to G, A to E. So like that all the path we are going to determine. Now draw a tabular column like this. So starting we need to write vertex and distance. Now I'm just going to write all the vertex A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these are the vertex given in the graph. Now distance, if you find a direct path from A to any other node, means you can write the distance. If you couldn't find the direct path, means just put infinity. So A to A is 0 default. Now A to B, yeah, it is given here, it is 2. So I given 2. Now A to C, there is no direct path from A to C, but C to A is there. So but A to C, it's not there. So just put infinity. And A to D, yeah, direct path is there, that is 1. You can see here, it is 1. And A to E, there is no direct path, put infinity. A to F also, there is no direct path, put infinity. A to G, put infinity. Okay. So now we have written the vertex and distance. Now we have visited A. Now here you just write visited node. Visited node is A. Okay. Now we have to cover the remaining node. Now just leave the A. From B to G, find the minimum node. So among these two, infinity, 1, infinity, 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 which one is minimum? So 1 is minimum. So now we are going to take, we are going to start from D. Now A is already visited, so I'm just copying the same value. Now D, I copy the same value. Now find the path from D to all other node. From D to B, is there any direct path? No. From D to B, there is no direct path, but B to D is there, but it is a directed graph, so we can't go from D to B. So D to B, already we have a distance, so just put the same value 2. D to C, yeah, we have a value, it is 2, but our starting point is A, so need to add A to D plus D to C. So A to D distance is 1 and D to C distance is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. So D, now D to E, so D to E, there is a direct path is there, the distance is 2. Now already we are going to start from A, so A to D is 1, D to E is 2, so 1 plus 2 is 3. Now D to F, so D to F also we have a direct path, you can see here 8. So our starting point is A, so A to D to F, so 8 plus 1 is 9. Then D to G, yeah, we have direct path from D to G, the weight is 4. So our starting point is A to D to G, so it is 5. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, now we have visited A and D, so I have marked D also. So I just change the color of A and D because it's already visited, and the value also won't be changed in A and D, it will be same. Now leave A and D, find the remaining value 2, 3, 3, 9, 5 is there. Among this, which one is smaller? 2 is smaller. Okay, now I am going to visit B. So next one is B, I am going to visit. Yeah, so I will mark here. Next one is B. So from B I'm going to see all the distance from B to all other node. Now just as already A is visited and D is visited and B also now visited, so don't change the value, just put the same value 1. Okay, now B to C, is there direct path means you can change the value, else leave it. Now B to, you can see here B to C there is no direct path, so just put the same value 3. Now B to E, yeah, we have a direct path, the distance is 10. Our starting point is A, so A to B to E, 10 plus 2 is 12. So now here 10 plus 2 is 12, minimum of 12 comma, already we have 3 only. So which one we can take, whether we can take 2 plus 10 that is 12 or 3, 3 is better, so we can just take 3, we can omit the 12, right? So among this which one is minimum, you can take any one value. Now I have taken 3 is minimum. Now B to F, so B to F, you can see here B to F there is no direct path, just put 9. Then B to G there is no direct path, put the same value 5. If direct path is there means you just find whether it is minimum value or not, else you put the same value, that's all. Now you can take C, E, F, G. Among this which one is minimum? So 3, here 3, here 9, here 5. Okay, so you can choose C, this 3 or this 3 because both are same value. So I am first taking C value. Okay, now I am going to visit C because next minimum is this one. So I have visited C. Now C I have visited. Now remaining value will be here already A is visited, B is visited, C is visited and D also visited. Now C to E, just find any direct path is there. C to E there is no direct path, so just copy and put the same value. Now C to F, yeah, we have a direct path. C to F is 5. Our starting point is A, so A to D to C to F. So check the value, 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8, but here value is 9, previous value is 9. So we can put minimum of 8 or 9, so 8 we can put. So now 9 value is updated by 8. You can see here C to F direct path is there, that is 5. So our starting point is A, so A to D to C to F. So 5 plus 2 plus 1, so 8 I have given here. Okay, now next one is C to G, there is no direct path, just put value 5 again. Okay, now as usual, among these 3 which one is minimum? E is minimum. So next we are going to visit E. Now I am going to change this color. I have changed this color. Okay, now just copy the same value, whatever visited we are not going to do anything. 2, 3, 1, 3, up to here the value remains same. Now E to F, just check any direct path is there, means if you put if direct path is there, if the value is minimum you can put here or leave 8 itself. Now E to F, so E is here, E to F there is no direct path, I am just putting 8. E to G, E to G, 6 is there. You can see here our starting point is A, so 1 plus 2 plus 6, so total is 9 coming, but already we have 5 only, so we don't want to update the value. So you can see E to G direct path is there. If you want to put this direct path, you need to put from starting point. So A to D to E to G, so it is 9, so already we have 5, so just put only 5 only, right? So next one is among this 8 and 5 which one is minimum? 5 is minimum. I am going to visit the 5, so I have marked this. So 5 is G. Okay, now whatever value already visited, just put the same value, 3, 1, 3, here 5. Now G to only one thing is only we need to find F, G to F. So G to F, yeah, direct path is there, 1 is there. Now calculate from starting point source. So A to D to G to F. So add the value, A to D is 1 plus D to G is 4 plus G to F is 1. So 1 plus 4 plus 1, totally 6 is coming, but we have 8 here. So we can update the minimum value 6. So now finally only one value is there, that is F, that also visited. So this also visited. Now we have solved the problem. Now you can see here From A to, we have find all the distance. From A to B it is 2, from A to C it is 3, the distance is. A to D it is 1, A to E the distance is 3, A to F the distance is 6, A to G the distance is 5. You can check in the graph here. So you can see here A to G, if you want, the shortest path is 1 plus 4, that is 5. You can see here A to G is 5. And similarly A to F, if you want to take, means A via D C F, that is 5 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so we have find all the distance from A to all other node. So this is a Dijikstra algorithm to find the shortest from path from one node to all other node. Thank you.